that time that I need your bodies turned around. If you have a backpack on, you need to take it off and put it to your side. And if you have anything out, you need to put it to your side, please. And when we start assembly, we need audience procedures. That means you are sitting in your lines, turned around, facing forward, everything put down, and giving your attention to the people that are out talking. We have a special guest this morning, a couple of different times. And so it is welcome Mrs. Smith's class, okay? All right. And I'm going to give you the mic, okay? All right.
Good morning. My name is Lorelai. Please stand and join me in the American flag salute. Ready? Begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please join me. Wait. Hello, my name is Lizzie. Please join me for the Oklahoma flag. Ready? Begin.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma, its symbols of peace unite all people.
Good morning, my name is Jasmine. Please join me in singing a patriotic song. Hello, my name is Gary. Please be seated for the moment of silence. Ready to begin. Thank you. My name is Victoria. Today for lunch we will be having macaroni and cheese, hot ham and cheese, tossed salad, peas, and mixed fruit.
Just want to let you know you have a choice of mac and cheese or the hot ham and cheese, okay? Not both. All right, let's give third grade Smith a hand for leading us in our morning assembly. Thank you. You did a great job. Birthdays, we don't have any birthdays today. However, we do have some over the weekend. So those people are Landon Bethel. You here, Landon? Come here, Landon. I think your birthday is Sunday. Yeah. Yep, 2 more days, he knows, and he is ready. And how about Thomas Molina? And they're both here, all right. Okay, take out a birthday pencil, guys. All right, you ready to sing happy birthday? Stand up here. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Have a great birthday weekend, guys. And now, well, before we do this, I'm going to go ahead and do some celebrations first. And 3S, the 4 kids can get ready. Okay. Is Aria Logan here? She is here. Come here, Aria. Aria is getting a certificate today from Ms. Fincher because she has passed her listening sight words. Congratulations. Happy birthday. All right, good job, Aria. Congratulations. Woohoo! Landon Bethel, it's your day. Come back up. 2 times. Landon has also passed List B sight words. Congratulations, Landon. Woohoo! And his classmates are giving him 5s. All right. I have some kids who have finished their third 9 weeks library challenge, the Exploration Mountain. So in 3rd grade, free art. Lily, are you here? Congratulations, Lily. Good job. And how about in 3S, Eric? Good job, Eric. And in 4J, Tyler. That was a quick stand. Good job, Tyler. And in 5th grade, Colton Watlock. Congratulations to all of our readers. Kids, Mrs. Hollingsworth wanted me to remind you that when you turn in your folder for her to look at when you think that you're done with your challenge, you need to have all of your information correct in your folder. Okay? She went through some last night and there were some that were not correct. So you're going to get it back and you have to fix it. Okay? You have to fix it and then turn it back in. All right. And I also want to remind you that next week is Read Across America Week. Okay? And so we're going to celebrate reading all week long. Although I think we celebrate reading every week. But we're doing extra special things next week. Mrs. Hollingworth had sent out an email to teachers with an emoji book title each morning, she will, to post on your classroom smartboards. So look at the emoji. If you know what book title it represents, write down the answer with your name on a slip of paper and take it to the library before noon, and I will be reminding you of that Monday, okay? 5 correct answers will be drawn each day to win prizes. So you have to be at school in order to do that, right? Okay, another little attendance incentive along with the readings. We will also have dress-up theme days next week. Okay, so try to participate as much as possible. So on Monday, since today's Friday, it is Can You Read Me? Can You Read Me Day. Wear a shirt with appropriate words for others to read. So if you have a shirt with words on it, like my shirt right now has Wildcats on it, okay? If you have a shirt with words on it, that's what we're going to wear on Monday, okay? I see lots of shirts right now that have words on them all around the gym, okay? All right, 3S, are you ready to come up? She asked if I was going to talk, of course. All right, I just kind of want to give you a heads up of what you're about to hear. There's some awesome little stories. We read the awesome story of how to catch a leprechaun. Raise your hand if you maybe ever heard this story or read a story similar. There's lots in this series. They're really good, right? So my students not only read it, but we listened to it so we get lots of ideas because we want to catch ourselves a leprechaun. So they have written how they're going to trap a leprechaun. Because rumor has it if you trap a leprechaun, you get to ask him for a wish. So we're going to find out what their traps are and what they would do if they caught a leprechaun. All right. Oh, and sorry, before we begin, there's only 4 students up here. I have lots of awesome stories, but we didn't want to take up your whole morning. And so these are the 4 that were picked, and then they also drew a picture so you guys can see up here what their trap would look like. All right? All right.
First, I would invite him to go to Ireland. Next, we would send him to a field of clovers, and then get him in a cage with gold for bait. Finally, keep him in the trap until he gives me gold.
Awesome.
Yes. I do have some students who wrote awesome stories, but they were a little nervous to get here, so we have volunteers.
First, I will get a net and put it on the ground. Next, I will put a mousetrap on the net. Then I will invite him to come over and he will hopefully fall into my trap. Finally, I'll ask him to give me money and let him go. First, I would make some hot chocolate. Next, I would take a box, a stick, and a rope to make a trap. And once he sees the hot chocolate, I will trap him. Finally, I will tell him to give me a 4-leaf clover. First, I would put a net hanging above him to trap him. Next, I will put him to sleep. Then I'll tie him to a chair. Finally, I'll take all of his money and I'll be rich.
Thank you, Juliet. And I will say they have some really nice artwork too.
And if anybody who's going to be in the building next week, all the stories will be hung up in our pod, so you can scan or up there.
Thank you very much, Maria. All right, we have one more little short presentation from Mrs. Rush's class. We are, her class has been studying about a cow named Bessie. And so every month they get an update on Bessie the cow. So we have an update, and I hope the batteries aren't dying, so we'll try it.
All right, so I have volunteers to read some paragraphs for you guys.
Our cat Bessie is now 4 months old and weighs 358 pounds and 38.5 inches tall. At just 4 months old, she is as tall as a second grader. The farmers told us Bessie enjoys a total mixed nutrition, also known as TMI. It is a mix of different food ingredients made to perfectly match her usual needs. It is like a cow salad.
Now that Bessie is older, she eats food that has more fiber to help develop the different compartments in her stomach. She can eat as much TMR and drink as much water as she wants. Bessie will drink up to 10 gallons of water a day.
Bessie now lives with a few of her housemates in a new inn. She loves hanging out with her little buddy. Bessie and her friends live together because it is easier to monitor growth, feed and see signs of sickness. Bessie plays on strawberries, which helps her to keep her clean, dry, and very We also learned that butter comes from heavy trade, which comes from eating butter in our classroom using baby food, jars, and fresh chemicals. Our class should the most until it began to solve and boil. Our class discussed how butter starts out as a liquid and becomes a solid.
I don't know if you can hear the last part, but so they made cream or butter.
We made butter.
They made butter, and butter is made from cow's milk. So maybe some butter that you might eat someday might come from Betsy. I don't know. So that was a little science learning experiment for them. I know you probably couldn't see the pictures very well. That was a picture of Betsy right there, and this was a picture of the class making their butter in their room. All right, it is stand up, Today we are doing class, mother class. I gotta get on my ride so I can get a card. Are you ready? Oh, it's nobody.
Wait,
We did have a couple of extra blind ones. Uh-oh. It is nobody. Kindergarten Sanchez! All right, Mrs. Sullivan. Listen. I'll wait. Mrs. Sullivan is going to tell you later or announce what you're going to do.
yes, but Miss Sanchez's class is gonna meet me in the gym at 1:50.
At 1:50, Mrs. Sanchez's class is going to